D is for... Bakit P yun? D! Sabi ko D. D is for the. Dali. Daddy. The. Oh, E. E. Oh, what shape is this? Circle! Very good! How about
This.
this? Triangle.
Oh, what about this?
How about that? That one.
This, Yeng.
And what color is this? Nee. Color. Oh, what color is Jollibee? Yes. What color is this? Red. How about this? Oh, who's this? Oh, who's this? Jollibee! Kiss Jollibee! Kiss! Kiss!
Sugat ko.
Oh, what shape is this? What shape is this? Rectangle! Of course! Ano pa? Oh, yung ganito.
Tang malano.
Yung ganito, what shape is this?
What color yung malano?
Ying, what shape is this? Dinalog ni Tangkay. Tangkay ko rin yung jagya. What shape is this? Ano yun? Oblong. Eh?
Bobo.
Wow,
Gatan ako lo.
aray ko.
Oblong yan.
How about this? What shape is this? What shape is this? Unan mo yun. Heart.
Heart, oh, balo niyo.
How about this? What shape is this?
Oh, ABC.
What shape is this? A, B. What shape is this? A. Ano yung shape? Kaya tayo nakanggang kami. Balo yun. Ilan mo lang rin ko. Kumuno ka rin.
Ay?